wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best solar toys. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. One of the coolest things about the Captain Nosa build-your-own car is the opportunity for customization, as each set comes with half a dozen acrylic paints you can use to stylize its assortment of high-quality wood panels. It offers a tool-free assembly and comes with a flashy spoiler. However, it is a bit on the small side. At number 9, the tenergy odev Geo is a robot car that kids can make and power themselves, using either salt water or sunlight as an energy source. It's easy to assemble, making it a suitable selection for children who enjoy putting their own toys together. It helps develop problem-solving skills, and the manual includes scientific facts, but it can be tough to get moving. Coming in at number 8 on our list, you can put a little color in your life with the Kikkerland Double Rainbow Maker. It uses the sun to power the motor that turns its genuine Swarovski crystals, which refract the same light to create its mesmerizing effect. The clear body displays the inner workings, and the solar panel is adjustable. However, the drivetrain isn't terribly durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar toys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you can show middle schoolers how renewable energy works with the Sundance Electricity Learning Kit. It reveals the workings of a photovoltaic cell while teaching students about electrical current, voltage and resistance in a hands-on manner. The manual is extremely helpful, and this one's good for science teachers. It includes a high-quality multimeter. Moving up our list to number 6. The rokr 3D wooden puzzle is designed to provide as much fun in the building process as it does when playing with it afterward. Once you've assembled it and placed it in direct sunlight, it zips along surprisingly quickly. It comes with laser-cut components and a crane at the back. However, some panels may crack easily. Halfway up our list at number 5. With the Thames and Cosmos mechanics, you can create 20 models, including things like trucks, airplanes and robots. It's a great choice for students of science and engineering, and the components are built to last. It includes colorful gears and pegs and a detailed 60-page manual, but it can be hard to disassemble. At number 4, the Ciro STEM kit can teach kids about the importance of managing power when exploring space. Its station uses light to charge its micro battery, which can then be placed in the shuttle or buggy for them to work. The robot runs on AA batteries though. There's an astronaut in the cockpit and assembly is quick and fun. However, the weapons aren't very appropriate. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, engineers and aviation enthusiasts alike will enjoy the sunnytech mendocino propeller, which uses both magnets and electricity to power the blades. If you're hoping to stimulate a love for knowledge in the STEM fields, this is a good way to start. Its speed fluctuates depending on the light, and it even levitates with enough energy. It's equipped with an attractive glass base. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar toys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, budding astronauts will appreciate the AUI space fleet, as you can create up to 7 different lunar modules and then watch them come to life as the sunlight hits them. It can also be powered by the included rechargeable battery, so you can still have fun at night. The paths snap together well, and the solar panel works efficiently. The designs vary a lot. And taking the top spot on our list, the National Geographic Space Explorers Kit comes with everything you need to create both a moon buggy and a Mars rover, such as laser-cut wooden pieces and sandpaper to file away any rough edges to ensure an accurate fit. It also includes a learning guide and is easy to put together. It's suitable for kids 6 and up. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar toys, or simply click beneath this video.